Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. What we are discussing now? We are discussing the 9th class first chapter. What is that? Real number. In that we are completing up to the exercise 1.4. In that eighth one question in that 3 problems is completed now. Today we are discussing about the fourth problem. What is that? What we have to do in this bit? We have to find this value. Okay, whatever expression is there, we have to find that value. What is that? What is the question? 16 to the power of 3 by 2. How can we read this? 16 to the power of 3 by 2. We have to find this value. Okay, let's see. Here your solution. What is that? 16 to the power of 3 by 2. I am writing as it is. For first step, what we have to do? We have to need this 16 we have to convert in powers of 2, because we have denominator is 2 now, in power we have 3 by 2 now. In denominator we have 2, means that we have to cut that denominator, so that we are changing the 16 in power of 2. How can we get 16? With the help of LCM we can do this. 4 4 is 16, means 16 can be written as 4 into 4, means 4 into 4 can be written as 4 square. In place of 16 we are writing the 4 square here. Okay, 4 square. Again in the next step, and 2 to get cancel okay, 2 to get cancel. What, how much left here? 4 cube. Okay, 3 is left now, means that 4 cube. 4 cube can be written as 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, 4 4 is 16 and 16 4 is 64. This is the value of 64 We have to find the value of this number now. 6 to the power of 3 by 2 now. This value we have to find. What we get? 64. Okay, we are finding the fourth one question. We get the 64 answer. Come to the fifth one. What is that? 243 to the power of 2 by 5. We need to find this value, whole value we have to find. First we have to convert this, whatever base is there we have to convert in terms of power. What is power 5? Okay, this number we have to convert to the power of 5. Okay, what is the number? 243. We have to find this number in the power of 5. Okay, with the help of LCM. In the first step we have to convert the whatever base is there, we have to convert with respect to with respect to powers. What is the power here? Power is 5. Okay, with the help of LCM we are changing the base. What is the base? 243. With the help of 3's table we are converting. Okay, with the help of 3 table. Okay, so first we need to observe the 24. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, what we get? 81. Again we are taking the same number. 8 is there, we cannot get the 8, so we are taking the less than 8. What is that? 6 we are consider. Okay, 3 2s are 6. Okay, how much left? 2, means it become 21. Okay, 3 7s are 21. Again 27 we get, we have to find 3 9s are 27. Again 3 9 is get, 3 3s are 9, means that 243 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, means 5 times 3. Okay, this 5 can be written as 3 to the power of 5. Okay, 243 we can write it as, in place of 43 we are replaced with 3 to the power of 5. Okay, let's see. We have to change the base number in the powers of 5. Okay, we get 3 to the power of 5. Okay, 243 value is 3 to the power of 5. Okay, in the next step, here the 5 and 5 get cancelled. Can you see? 5 and 5 get cancelled. What we get? 3 to the 3 square. Okay, 2 is left number, 2 means square. 3 square. 3 square can be written as 3 into 3, means 3 3s are 9. Okay, the whole value should be 9. We have to find the values number, means that we are getting the value as 9. Okay, and the last one is 46,656 to the power of minus 1 by 6. Here also we have to convert to the power of 6. Okay, this value, this base we have to convert to the power of 6. Okay, let's see. For converting, which process we have used? We are using the LCM. Okay, 400. Just we are considering we cannot consider only 4, because this 4 is not divisible by 6, because it is a less than number. First we have to take first 2 number. We are considering the 46. Okay, 46 is divisible by 6. No, it is not divisible by 46. We are taking the smaller that number. We are taking the 42. When we get 42, 6 7s are 42. How much left here? 42 na? 4 is left here. Again we get 46, means 6 7s are 46. Again how much left here? Here left is 4. Okay, 4 means 45 now. 45 is not divisible. Again I am taking the 42 only. So 6 7s are 42. How much left here? We are considering the 42. We have 45 means 3 is left nama. We are putting here the what it become? 36 means 36. It is 6 6 are 36. Again in the next step we are taking as a 6 means 7 is the nama. 6 1s are 6. Here how much left here? 1 means it becomes 17. 17 is not divisible by 16. We are taking the 12. Okay. 6 2s are 12 means 12 nama we are considering 12. Here we have 17 means the 5 is left here means we are putting means when we put here what it become 57. 57 is not divisible nama. We are taking the 54. When we get 6 9s are 54. How much left here? 3. Okay, here 57 is there. We get the 52. 54. How much left here? 50. How much left here? Here we are lefting the 3. Okay, we are putting here what it become 36 means 6 6 are 36. Okay, with the help of 6 table we are doing this now. Okay, here 1 is divisible by 6. No, it is a smaller number. We are considering the first 2 number. It become 12 means 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6. How much left ma? 3 means when you put here what it become 36 means 6 6 are 36. Okay, again 21 is there. If we consider the 2 it is not possible now. We have to consider the 2 number. 21 we have to take means 21 is divisible by 6. No, it is we have to take the smaller that 21 smaller than 21 is 18 ma. When we get 18 6 3 is 18. How much left here? 3. When we put here 36 again 6 6 are 36. What we at last we get the 36 means 6 6 are 36. 46,656 can be written as 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 means 6 to the power of 6. Okay, in place of 46,656 can be replaced with 6 to the power of 6. With the help of LCM we are seeing nama. Just put the value 6 to the power of 6. Okay, here the 6 get cancelled. This value should be equals to 6 to the power of 6. After replacing just we have to cancel the power and denominator. We are cancel it. What will be how much left here? 6 to the power of minus 1. Okay, here when we are exponent formula is there. A to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by a. Okay, a to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by a. Thus condition we are applying this step ma. On applying this step what will happen? 6 to the power of minus 1 nama. This value should be equal to 1 by 6. Okay, this is the value of this formula ma, of this question. Okay, this bit is completed. Let's see the second bit. By this we are completing the 8th one question number. Let's see the 9th one question. Simplify. Okay, we have to simplify. We have to find the value of this expression. What is the expression here? Fourth root of 81 minus 8 into cube root of 343 plus 15 fifth root of 32 plus square root of 225. We have to find the value of this expression. Okay, first we have to convert the whatever number under the root number, just number we have to convert with respect to whatever root is there. Okay, with the fourth root number here 81 is there. This 81 we have to convert in powers of 4. Okay, because we have to cancel on the next step. Okay, this is your question ma. What is that? Given that whatever given in the question, write in the answer after writing the given that. What is that? Fourth root of 81 minus 8 cube root of 343 plus 15 into fifth root of 32 plus square root of 225. Okay, we need to determine the value of this expression. First we have in the first step whatever numbers in the root under the root, that number we have to change with respect to the roots. Okay, with respect to root. Fourth root is there. Here the fourth root is there under the number, and 81 is under the number, under the root number. That 81 we have to change with respect to the 4. Okay, with respect to the fourth root. Okay, here how can we change number? 81 is there. 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. Okay, 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. Okay, minus 8 is as it is 343. 343 can be written as 4 to the power 4. 7 cube. Okay, 3 to the 343 can be written as 7 cube. Okay, plus 15 is there. 32 can be written as 5 to the power of 2 to the power of 5. Okay, 15 plus is there under root 225. 225 can be written as 15 square. Okay, this number we have to remember ma. Okay, we have to remember this number. This is the first. This step is difficult ma. Remaining simplification is simple. Just we have to remember the first step. How can we change the numbers? Okay, how can we change the number under the roots? Okay, 81 is the 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. 343 can be written as 7 cube, and 32 can be written as 5 to the power of 2 to the power of 5. 225 can be written as 15 square. Okay, on the next step we are cancel the powers and root. Okay, fourth root is there, 2 to the power of 4 is there, 4 get cancelled, we get only 3. 8 is minus is as it is, 8 is as it is. Multiplication number I am writing into here. Cube root and 3. Cube root and cube is cancelled. How much left? Only 7. Okay. 15 I am writing here. The fifth root and 2 to the power of 5 power is enough power, and fifth root get cancelled. How much left here? 15 into 2. This one is cancelled. 2 is there. Here the square and square root get cancelled. How much left? 15. Okay. Let's see. This is the step. In the first step, you have to remember the numbers. How can we change the numbers? Okay. Remaining part is easy. 3 is there minus. 8 7 is 56 plus 15 2 is 30 plus 15 is as it is. Okay. First we have to add the positive number. Then we have to subtract the negative number. First we have to add it. Plus 30 is there, plus 15 is there. When we add to these two numbers, what we get? 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. I am writing here. Plus 45 is there. Again minus 56 I am writing as it is. Okay. In this step what we have to do? We have to subtract the both numbers. 56 minus 48. 48 is 8 answer. But in front of smaller bigger number, what is there? Which one sign is there? First which one is bigger? 56 is bigger. In front of bigger number, what we have the sign? Minus is there. That's why we are writing the minus here. This value, the whole expression value, what we get? 8. Minus 8 we get. This is a simple one. Just we have to, first step you have to remember that 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. Okay. 343 can be written as 7 cube. 52 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. 225 can be written as 15 square. Okay. This value how can we get? With the help of LCM we get. Okay. This is our answer. What we get? At last the expression answer. This is the expression. After simplification what we get? Minus 8 is. Okay. This is our answer. Okay ma, we are simplifying the 4th, 5th and 6th and 9th one. Okay. Till that you have to complete your notes and submit in the group. Okay. Today's class is completed. Whatever discussed in the class you have to complete and submit in the group. Thank you.